Here we are at the Maine Homeschoolers, or Homeschoolers of Maine annual convention, Saturday, March 18th, and this is science, learning how to make a paper airplane and the science behind it.
From here, do you want to make one that goes fast?
We're going to do both of them, and then we're going to do the comparison.
Okay.
Because that's the complete lesson.
And then do this again?
Yep, just like that.
I think I've already made ones like this. I think I already came here and did this.
Well, if you did, you just get 2 more airplanes.
I did.
This is sort of a lost art, isn't it? You don't see kids making children making airplanes anymore much. We used to make them in school and get in trouble, you know.
And his dad made them.
There.
There, now fold it in half like we did before.
Yep, I've made this one. Like this.
Here. So put it flat, so you have a flat surface, and then you pull it down.
So what causes it to glide? What causes it to glide when you throw it? When you fold it this certain way?
Well, we'll get onto that in just a second. As soon as they get their second plane made, we're going to be doing a comparison
Okay.
on which one goes faster, which one goes farther.
Airplane number 1.
Yep, I've done this one.
Okay, now I got 1 more plane to do.
That one I've built.
Okay.
And it's awesome. It goes super good.
Okay, so now this one, we're holding it in half again.
Okay.
Just like the last one. Good job.
Trade them. And do that again.
Yes. Again.
This time I'm about the same speed as you.
Yeah, you're getting really good. I've been doing this all day yesterday. Okay, so now we're gonna pull it down.
I've seen people make these. It goes super good.
Okay. A little bit further.
There.
And make sure that this little point is lined up in the center.
There.
Okay, and just like we did before, again. So how old are you?
7 years old.
You're 7? Wow.
Have you ever been on an airplane?
Yep.
Yeah. A big airplane or a small one?
Mom?
A jet? Yeah. Passenger jet?
Yep, jet.
Did you know that she knows how to fly an airplane? She knows how to fly.
I did too
I
far.
flew an airplane once. I don't know how to fly one, but I flew an airplane once.
A paper one?
No, like a real one up in the sky.
And then what?
And then we... Nope, not yet. We gotta pull this triangle and go. Just like that.
That's a little more difficult to make, a lot more folds, huh?
Oh well. If it doesn't fly very well, we'll use our example plane to use it, okay? And then we fold it in half again.
Again.
There's a lot of agains.
Yeah, this is not working.
Not quite like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your finger about right there, pull it down, and make the needle just like that. And now to make the other side, lay it flat on the table. And match this one up with this one. So
Yep,
they're
I
even.
found.
Yep. Just like that. Just like this.
Okay, that should be good enough. I think the one I made is...
It's alright, mine's like that too, see? Ready to go test them out? Yep, now go follow her, and then she will teach you the lesson.
So we're trying to
Wow. Here.
Stand back here.
And it was also too racy. It was, just like, but not totally right. Maybe not the word, but it was.
Oh.
But oh, I like it.
So one went a lot further than the other, right?
Mine doesn't go right.
So this one, speed, because it's more aerodynamic. Air can flow past it much easier. This one, the wings are wider, which makes it so it flies for longer and farther.
So the long one went faster because of the design, obviously, and the smaller one went further because of the wingspan.
Because this one's much shorter and more compact and has much longer wings. And then this one, it has shorter wings. And so it goes much faster. Also, it's more aerodynamic. This one. Another thing, what do you think will happen if we take this,
Fold it again.
fold these up?
I'm going to go get mine. Where did mine go?
Will that keep it in the air longer now when you do that?
No, but
How do you do it?
okay.
Fold this up. This. And then what? Like this?
I found a piece of fold it down like that. So this corner. You want to make sure when you look at it, it's nice and flat. You want it to be nice and flat. Yeah. I'll show you what's good. Grab it in here, pull this out, make sure it's nice and flat, pull these up, it's nice. Yeah.
And now
Now try it. It flies much straighter, much easier, doesn't it?
see.
Flies much faster and much straighter.
Wow, that's nice, huh? That went a long way. Well, thank you for this display of aviation. It was very impressive.